So it is officially day 3 of camp. Abby has a wiggly tooth. I did not have time to make breakfast, so we're gonna stop and get food. Camp starts in about 30 minutes, so we're gonna do this as quickly as possible. Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Y'all, they ate that Chick-fil-A so fast. I didn't get any footage of them eating it. They just still have their little cups. But we are heading in for day 3. Ooh, thank you for fixing her shirt, Eva. Heading in for day 3. Yesterday they said their legs were hurting so bad, right, girls?
Yeah.
So hope that today they said they're feeling much better. So I dropped the girls off, as you guys already know. Now I am at the Toyota dealership because I'm having my tire light come on, and I put air in my tire, but it keeps coming back on. So I'm feeling now like there's some sort of hole in my tire. So I'm gonna have them check that out for me. I have not even had my breakfast. I literally still have my Chick-fil-A and my coffee here. But I'm gonna wait until like I go inside, then I'm gonna sit down, get comfortable, and I'll have breakfast then. So this is my Chick-fil-A bowl that I'm having for breakfast, along with my coffee. The guy said that the wait is going to be 1.5 to 2 hours, so I will be here for a while. You guys do not come for me for my nails. I will be getting them done. The reason why I haven't got them done is because I think I told you guys yesterday, my daughter wants to do our nails on Mother-Daughter Day, which is Saturday. So I'm just gonna have to rough and tough it out. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. So you guys, tell me why after waiting 3 hours at the Toyota dealership, they didn't even have my tire. So I did have a hole in my tire. They actually put a donut on my car. Look. So literally after 3 hours of waiting for a donut, and I still have to go back tomorrow, so I'm kind of irritated about that, because why did it take you guys 3 hours to do that? Anyways, you guys can see I changed because I was wearing a dress earlier when I dropped my girls off at school, but right now I'm doing laundry. So who's doing laundry in a dress? Not me. So I'm also going to check our P.O. box because it's literally in the same shopping center as our laundry. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna do a couple of errands because I have to pick up a few like skincare items. So that's what's on the agenda for right now. For those of you who would like to send something to our P.O. box is 3200 San Marcos, Texas 78667. And you guys can just send it to, you can put it in anybody's name. It honestly doesn't even matter. You know, to be totally honest with you guys, I am so missing Phoenix right now, because since we've been back in Texas, it's constantly, and I mean constantly, raining out of nowhere. We've had hailstorms and all kind of storms coming through, and I'm tired of it. Like, give me back the desert. So I'm over here trying to convince my husband, like, we need to go somewhere else because Texas is just not working for me. And it's weird because before I used to really rock with Texas. I used to really want to be here. And now I'm just like, I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or if it's close to my time of month. I don't know what the problem is, but I just don't want to be here. And you guys know, we live in a travel trailer because I like to move from place to place and explore different things. But one thing I'm just not in the mood for is bad weather. Anyway, you guys comment down below. Let me know where you live and where you guys think we should go next, because Texas, baby, it's not working. So as you guys seen in one of the videos, I've been trying to do my makeup, get back in my girly girl era, whatever like that. And so I don't really know how to do it. I'm just it almost feels like I'm just playing with makeup at this point. But I am about to go to Walgreens because it's right across the street, and I'm going to pick out some items that I think I need for makeup. And then I'm gonna keep trying because I'm in my 30s. Why don't I know how to do my makeup already? Why did I not make it a priority? I mean, to be honest, okay, so my husband, he doesn't even like when I wear makeup, so I don't do it for him. I do it for me. I do it because I feel like it makes me feel comfortable and pretty, and I just, you know, I like it. Like, who wants to go outside without their eyebrows being done or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And I don't do like heavy makeup, like foundation, all of that stuff. I do eyeshadow sometimes and my eyebrows, but I want to be like in my girly girl era, like trying to get it together. As you guys know, I've been on my weight loss journey, and I'm just like trying to improve myself all over, and I feel like that's part of it, part of like getting back to me. So I met my husband, for those of you who do not know, I met my husband when I was 18 years old, and I was like super into myself, my hair, my makeup, like how I looked. I wouldn't even go outside and check the mailbox unless I was like dressed to the T. And so over the last 16 years, those things have changed, and I'm just really just trying to get back to that. So if you're in your 30s and you can relate, comment down below and just let me know the season you're in, and where you were before compared to how you are now, and what you want to change. All right, you guys, so we're about to head to, actually I said Walgreens, but I think it's CVS. We're about to head to CVS and the Dollar Tree. I think the Dollar Tree first, because I heard sometimes they be having some good makeup. So I'm gonna head to the Dollar Tree first, and then CVS, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's go. All right, I'm here in Dollar Tree. I'm trying to see what they have. I see a bunch of LA Colors things. Oh, there's some white out here too, but Day 3 of fire camp complete. How are you girls feeling today?
Amazing. We had such a fun time.
So what were you just telling me about the, what kind of vehicle drove you around?
It was a military car. They drove all around the area. And it was so fun. Very bumpy.
Did you guys like climb through the top? Was it that kind of military car?
Oh no. It climbed on the ladder.
You climbed up a ladder?
Yeah, and then went into the military car and it threw all over the area.
Whoa. Who doesn't love the car wash? I love coming to the car wash. That's why I pay for the membership. It's like $10 a month, and we literally can come as much as we want to. Thank you, Ojo. Hello. Oh, look at this sign, girls. Buy 3, get free. 3 free. Ooh, these little purses are cute, huh? They got some scrunchies. Oh my gosh, there's so much girly girl stuff for all the headbands. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at these nails. Ooh. Aren't those pretty?
Okay, then we're looking for makeup.
And the necklaces are buy 3, get 2.
What is this? The sun?
So Ava and Abby are looking for some BFF necklaces for them and one of their friends. Well, they got some cute stuff up in Clears. I've been sleeping on Clears.
Free piece!
Ooh. And it has different colors. Look, there's different color ones.
What's that this one? What does it say? Best friends forever.
We show our
Look through all of them, because there's a lot of different colors, girls. Oh, we have the nails. And they even have a $3 clearance section. We just left Claire's. They got their little baggie for their BFF gift for them and their friend. And now we're going to hang out at the park and soak in some of that sun. They said they're really tired from the fire academy, so I'm trying to get my steps in. I have to do 8,500 today. I'm at 4,137. So I'm just going to be walking around trying to get my steps in while they're playing. There's like a little covering here, so I'm in the shade because y'all know Texas is way too hot to be trying to walk out in the sun. So usually I like to do my walking anywhere it's cool or I can get shade, or later on in the day. But yeah, that's what we're doing.